Oh, they got the patriotic stuff up now. All right. Got a dash past to Indiana Jones, and now we're gonna go to Jungle Cruise until our time has come up. So when you make a reservation, it's not instant. You have to wait a little while.
Thanks for that. We also have our birthday
I keep my hoodie on as long as I can. Hope you dropped some stuff here.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. We do Adventureland. Oh, check it out.
Oh my goodness.
Parade of ducks. For sure.
They were babies the last time we were
There are
here.
a lot of ducks and geese here at Disneyland. Tiki room. Looks like they're heading in. Dole Whip's not open yet.
Nailed it. Yep.